Frame looks intact.
I heard there's an abandoned Ninja somewhere near the old warehouse.
Then let's go find it.
Every machine deserves respect.
There it is. Frame looks intact. That's good.
Easy, don't bend the fairings.
Surface rust only, cams are still aligned.
First rule, expose everything before touching the heart.
Dirt everywhere, but nothing broken.
These lines are stiff, years without movement.
Moment of truth.
Pistons still within spec. Carbon buildup, but piston not cracked.
Slow and steady, no scoring.
Let it soak, let it breathe again.
We just removed the scars, not the strength.
Every bolt has its home.
Look at that, metal reborn.
Ultrasonic will do the delicate work. Years of neglect blowing away.
We remove the corrosion, not the identity.
This seals the past. Careful, don't thin the metal. Every millimeter matters. Surface must be perfectly clean before coating.
Factory code match. No improvisation.
That's the factory depth. Locking it in forever. Surface oxidation only. Structural integrity intact. Let it bond. Just enough pressure, no deep cuts. Alignment must be factory perfect.
That green defames the Ninja identity.
Preparing for stripe restoration.
Wheel restored.
Now she rolls like a true ninja again. Brake response must feel brand new. Proper torque. No shortcuts. The heart is ready to be rebuilt. This Ninja will roar again.
Perfect seal begins here. Smooth rotation, no binding. Timing marks aligned, no room for error.
Protection on the first start is everything.
Even torque prevents warping. Always cross pattern, even pressure. Rings aligned, compression restored. Always cross pattern, even pressure. Even torque prevents warping. Final torque complete. Compression secured.
Clean wiring means reliable life.
First stage torque, locked. No residue, pure reflection.
The green must stay sharp and defined.
First stage correction. Let the gloss come alive. This locks in the shine. Depth and clarity restored.
Every surface deserves respect.
This will protect her for years. Let it harden like glass.
Lights are perfect. Like brand new, brand new.
Power restored. Motor looks clean. Voltage stable. Signal is clean. Motor looks clean.
Ooh, nice. Yeah? She's waking up.
Let it harden like glass. No imperfections.
Whoa.
Factory flawless.
From forgotten metal to reborn legend.
Yes.